In this video, I'm going to show you how to install your upper seat spacers in your Toyota Tacoma. To install the spacers, you'll need 12 and 13 millimeter sockets, 4 extended bolts, and your upper seat spacers. Start by using your 12 millimeter socket to remove the upper and lower bolts holding the seat lock in place. Then remove the mechanism. Next, position the seat spacer exactly as shown, making sure to follow the correct orientation. Reinstall the seat lock using the spacer and the new, longer bolts. Caution: always start these bolts by hand. Make sure you get 3 to 5 full turns before switching to your 13 millimeter socket. Metric bolts are very easy to cross-thread, and taking this extra step will save you from damaging the threads. Before tightening them completely, make sure to pull any loose fabric out from underneath the plastic spacer. Once clear, fully tighten the bolts, and repeat the exact same steps for the passenger side. Use the included Velcro strips to secure the seat straps in position.
Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of the social medias, as well as subscribe to us on YouTube, because I'm going to be showing you how to do a complete audio upgrade in your 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma, whether it has JBL, non-JBL, is a hybrid, or a non-hybrid.